Hello friends, are you Java developer feeling overwhelmed by endless coding tasks? Imagine if you have your own coding assistant that can help you to build your code, write your code, and even design the whole system by just giving the right prompt. So today I'm going to show you how to use GenAI prompt that can completely change our work process. So if you're a Java developer, you know the Java ecosystem, which is very huge, and we should have a good command on the multiple technologies like Core Java, Spring Boot, Microservices, Hibernate, Kafka, and like the cloud platform like GCP, Azure, AWS, and REST API are also involved into writing the unit test cases like endless technologies. So sometimes it feel like carrying a overburden to manage all the things. So that's where AI prompt come in, and it's like you are hiring a super smart junior developer that can never sleep and never tired. So uh, so uh, so so how to write a good prompt that can generate the desired results? So I will show you the formula that can to use to write a good prompt. So this is the formula you can use to write the prompt. So in this formula you can see the first of all you define the role, task, context, and the style constraints. So this is the two prompts, and this is just for the writing Java REST API. This is very generic prompt, and the AI will generate the common response. So it is good for to learn the REST API. But if you have a specific requirement, like you want to write some the requirement to like managing the books, so you can write in that way. So act as a senior Java developer. So this is very clear. You are mentioning as a role, right? And this is the task. Second is the task. So writing a Spring Boot plus controller to manage books, and the title, author, ISBN. So this is the task you want to perform. And then you are mentioning the context. So use the Java 17. So you are need to write the Java code to use the Java 17 to generate the code. And you also need three endpoints, which is get, post, delete, and the style means you are just also want to the Java documents. So Java documents can be used on class level, method level, and variable level. And you also adding some constraints. So the constraint means like you are like you want to use the best practices of the RESTful APIs. So here you can see the difference. I can like show you my ChatGPT. I basically I already used that prompt, so the output is already generated. So this prompt will generate this basic output. So this is the POM file, and this is the Spring Web module, which is for REST API. This is the Jackson API for parsing JSON to Java and the Java to JSON object. And then this is for testing purpose, right? And this is the main class, and this is the REST controller, which has the get endpoint. So this is enough for to test the REST API. Okay, and this is for the specific one, like you have the requirement of the managing books. So this is the controller, and then in the controller using the request mapping like root level. So and this is the very good document comments, and this is the book service, which is injected by the constructor, and this is the best approach. So there is a three-way to inject inject the dependencies, like using the constructor. This is one, as second for the variable label like the auto wire, and third is the method based injection. So this is the good one. So AI already generated, and this is the endpoints. So we have a requirement of get, post, and delete. So these are three endpoints with document comments, right? Post and then delete. And this is the entity or the model, which has the three attributes: title, author, ISBN, and this is the constructor and setter getter methods. So if you want to like use the logbok and don't want to like generate these methods, so we can also modify the prompt and add the logbok here. Okay, so and this is the service, and then the service have three service methods, like one for the get, one for the like saving the book, and this is for the like deleting the book. And this is the folder restriction, and so controller will goes to controller package, and books goes to model, and then book service goes to service package, right? So this is the good prompt, and we can see the difference. So the AI become your coding partner, not just any dummy tool. Okay. So how the prompt can help in our daily work routine, right? So there is some few scenarios we can cover in this session. So like the mostly we are writing boiler code in our project, writing unit test cases, debugging and review the code, and involving system design for microservice architecture based application. So writing boiler code problem means so like if we use a prompt, so the good prompt can generate 80% of basic structure of the code in a very quick way, right? So this type of prompt we can use to generate the like some boiler code, you know, and the all things are like generated in a few seconds. So next thing, like we are also involving to writing the unit test cases, like when the new functionality is added in our project, so we need to cover all the failed scenarios, all the past scenarios, or we can say the negative and positive scenarios. So the test cases, like we cannot skip, so AI can like make your life easy to generate the test cases. So this type of prompt you can also use to generate the test cases. Then third one is so if you are if you are in the senior position or the senior Java developer, you are also involving the system design, microservice architecture, and sometimes you are feeling lost because of the lot of technologies we need to take care about the in the system. So you can use this type of prompt. So and you can mention the what are the technology you want to use, and you also include some highlights in your prompts, like you want to you also need database schema, endpoints, and events to Kafka, and load balancing strategies, and security consideration like authentication, authorization, right? So this is the very good prompts you can use in your current system design. The fourth issues we can see, if you are the senior developer, so you are also involving the code review, right? And there is a difficulties when the method contains huge number of lines. So we need to identify which line will give the exception or which line will not be performed well. So this type like issues we also solve by the prompt. So I can show you how to you can see that this is the very simple Java code, and this line will generate the null pointer exception. So you can see how the prompt AI can help. So this is my prompt, and this is my code, and the AI will help indicate which line will give the exception. So in this line, we will get the exception. So and there is some reason behind that, and ChatGPT is giving some recommendations, like we can use the the null pointer checks, and also we can use these Java 8 functionality, which is the optional one that can also check the null pointer or the null checks. So that's a very good way to review our code, right? So in the real world, we can see the use cases where the chat, where the AI or GenAI can help us. Like if we are the freelancer developer, the delivery of the project is very fast. So the AI can help on there. Same way, if the startup company and they are the some limited resources, so and we deliver the multiple things in a quick way. So ChatGPT also can help there. And if we are working in the corporate sector, there the some uh, like we writing some of the boring code structure, and if we use the AI, then we can generate all the things in a seconds, and we have a time now. We can the understand the new innovation things. So if you are a student, you can also use the ChatGPT or any AI tool to get the new things, and ChatGPT also guide you to create the roadmap. So I hope you have more understanding on the prompt and how to write a good prompt. So if you like the this video, you can like the button and share with your coding buddies, and comment me below if you have any doubts. So, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech learning on AI and the Java ecosystem. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.